Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about a little bit of a far out, artsy, fun Easter look. I am trying to be positive, trying to be positive in lieu of all of the corona situation. And I am hoping and assuming that I will be able to go out and see family, friends, and even like just family and friends during the Easter time. So I wanted to show you guys a cute little pink and blue spring Easter look for your eyes, and also just like some really cute ways to use eyeshadow as highlighter. So basically the palette I'm mainly going to be using I think today is the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. So everyone knows what I'm using. I'll go through and I'll name the colors by name. However, I will probably not, maybe I will show. I'll basically be using this blue. Oh, not that one. Sorry, I'm not used to this. I will be using this minty color. I'll be using this blue over here, right there. I'll be using the pink right next to it. Right here. Sorry, I should probably move that one. Might try to use the purple, and then I'll try to use purple and pink. These two here. So, yeah, you see what kind of palette I'm going for. Pink, blue, light. So basically, we're basically gonna use Snack, this very light color here. That's what I'm gonna use as my highlighter. I have already primed my face. I've primed my eyes as well. So I don't have to do that on camera for you guys. So we'll go in, and I think we'll use this brush. I got this from BoxyCharm. It's cute, they're exclusive. But anywho, I'm gonna take a little bit of Snack on a finger, and I'm actually going to rub that or dust that onto a portion of my hand here because it's highly pigmented, as you can see. I don't need, sorry, is that rating on camera the way it should? There, I don't know, well, okay. It's highly pigmented, so I'm gonna take some off of my hand using the brush and glide that along. If it doesn't show up, yeah, it's not rating as much as I'd like it to. So maybe I'll just use my finger into Snack and straight on, ooh girl, onto my finger, right in that area that you want highlighted, which is right up here on the bone, underneath the eye. Yes, girl. I'm going up around my eye a little bit because I want this to be really pink and blush and pretty. And that Snack is really doing it for me. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Yeah. So we're gonna continue to do that. And only because I'm going for a creative, more out there look am I doing so much highlighter. But realistically, like, if you're going to the club any night, you could do that. It's dark. You wouldn't be able to, it wouldn't look crazy. Just like it doesn't look crazy right now. So we're doing Snack all over that area. I'm really pounding it in there. Then, next, everybody knows I love Jeffree Star and their cosmetics, so I don't even have to give you any sort of like review in this. This is simply just to show you like a really awesome like look. So I probably will fast forward through some certain parts just so that it doesn't take forever for you guys to watch this. Basically, as you watch, if you really enjoy it, make sure you go like it. Make sure you go subscribe. And then if you really want to like support and be a good friend, then share it and let others see it. Support, you know, whatever. Okay, cool. So, the next color we're gonna go into with a Morphe brush, it's the M30, or 330, sorry, M330. We're gonna go into Brain Freeze, which is my light blue color. It is rather dusty, I do have to let you know that. Dust. So, we're gonna pack that in to the outer crease into the center. And I wanna get a brain freeze. Look at that cute blue. It's so Easter, so that's what I'm going for. Into the center of my eye. I am avoiding the inner corner, which is here. Okay? Let's do more of this. We can go above my crease line a little bit. I'm okay with that. If anything, I'm going to go in with those darker pinks and purples. So it's gonna be a nice blender color. Cool, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then I'll show you what I do with gumdrop right after. Alrighty, so now that those are packed in, I'm gonna go in with a different brush. Let's see. We'll go in with the detail brush. This is a Morphe M321. It looks like so. Cute. We're gonna go in with the gumdrop, and we're actually going to basically make a crease out of this. Again, remaining really playful and Eastery. I wanted to go with kind of the colors that you would decorate an egg with. So we're going to build that purple color just on the outer edge of that light blue. It's okay that it doesn't match up with your crease, which is where this is. You can have it a little bit above. You almost want it a little bit above, and this is going to create the effect that your eye is actually more open and uplifted. So that's nice. So go for that, and I'll do that to both eyes. If you're following along, feel free to kind of watch the steps I'm doing right now and continue to do them over and over again. Circular motions are nice. They build color very quickly, and you can contain where you're putting color. So I'll show you the end result in a few minutes. Having packed that purple in, we go in with the pink and our turquoise. The turquoise used as a nice blender between the purple and the blue. The pink used in my inner corner. Unfortunately, we had some camera issues, so you'll see me basically pan forward with my eyeliner and the complete look done. And welcome back. So you'll see that my lips are moving and it does not match what I am saying currently. Unfortunately, we had the camera issues and I went ahead and did everything. So here I have my lashes, the cutest lashes from Lashaholic. We also have our pink in the corners, our blue fading out into our purple, and I'm filling in with a nice Lord & Taylor pink chubby stick. I did that, and then afterward I think I ombre in with my lip liner pencil. These are both totally interchangeable with whatever lip liner and kind of like a little lipstick that you feel is appropriate for the look. You can see my highlighter raging. And honestly, it's a complete look. Wings, super easy. If they're hard for you, maybe use tape on the side of your eyes. Just match that up from the end corner of your eye to the end of your eyebrow, and you will have done them perfectly for flawless wings. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Feel free to watch as I do my cute little look. Feel free to follow along. If you do, I always say, please send me a picture of you doing the look or a picture of the final look on you. And I just love seeing what my makeup looks like on other people. So feel free, and maybe I'll feature you on my story on my Instagram. Or I could even pop your picture at the end of my next video on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So feel free to go to all those platforms, follow me, like me, go watch the rest of my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.